Hi and welcome back to my channel. My name is Carolina and today I want to show you how to make this beautiful dress using my new sewing pattern called Sunny. I made two of those dresses, as you can see, one in linen and this is a printed poly cotton mix. And if you want to see how to make this dress using my pattern, keep on watching. To start, you'll need a fabric, scissors, some pins and elastic. The elastic that I'm using is 1/2 centimeter wide. Place together front and back panels together, wrong side to wrong side. In this tutorial, I'm going to use only a sewing machine, so for the side seams, I'm going to use a French seam technique. Trim the seam allowance, but be careful not to cut the stitch line. Turn top to the other side and press the side seam, first with the seam open and then again on the fold. Pin the seam 1/2 centimeter away from the edge. And then sew the side seams once again. Press the seam open using an iron. Turn bodice to the wrong side and fold the neckline edge by 1 centimeter and press it with an iron. Then fold the top edge again by 4 centimeters and top stitch. Remember to leave a small gap to insert the elastic. Make another stitch line approximately 1/2 centimeter away from the previous one. Fold a top and press it down 6 centimeters away from the previous stitch line. Now we're gonna create another channels for the elastic. Then sew the folded line approximately 1 centimeter away from the edge to create the channels for the elastic. Press the channels flat. Make sure to get all the fabric out. As you can see, now you can have a little channel to insert the elastic. And now on the wrong side, you want to top stitch the channel to the dress. And this is how it's supposed to look like. Then repeat the same steps and continue to make another channels on the bodies. And this is how your done body is supposed to look like. Moving to the skirt, place 2 panels together, wrong side to wrong side, and sew them together with 1/2 centimeter seam allowance. For the skirt, we also gonna use a French seam technique.
Yesterday, there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane, and as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise.
Trim the seam allowance and be careful not to cut the stitch line.
Something in the air and a sparkly shimmer on our skin, restoring everything within. Oh,
Then press the seam open and then again on the fold.
breezy we go, easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents of the other, beyond gravel, beyond all.
Then sew the sides once again 1/2 centimeter away from the edge.
Reaching for the grand, as willows align, we lose track of time.
With skirt on the right side and bodice on the wrong side, insert the bodice into the skirt and pin the waist together. Start from the side seams and make sure that the seam lines align together, and then move to pin the rest of the waist.
On our tiptoes, undercover agents of the other, beyond gravel.
Sew the waistband together with 1/2 centimeter seam allowance.
A bigger scale the world inhales as we go. I wouldn't want it any other way, no. Dreamy, breezy we go, easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents of the other, beyond gravel.
Fold the dress on the waist and sew it once again 1/2 centimeter away from the edge. Remember to leave a small gap to insert the elastic. To finish up the hem, I'm gonna use a rolled hem technique. First roll the hem by 1/2 centimeter and then top stitch, and then fold it once again by 1/2 centimeter and top stitch again. As the last step, insert the elastic into the channels, then tie them up together with a knot and cut off the extra elastic. And to finish off the dress, top stitch the openings once you're done. And that's it. That's your perfect sunny dress. Thank you so much for watching.